Okay, it's Friday and it's August 15th, and this is Weather Outlook. And we'll take a look at the weekend and then we'll take a look at the cooler air moving in next week into the following week. And I'll kind of tell you something about our winter forecast. Okay, now this is Friday afternoon. We have some showers out there. Might even be some heavier showers in selected places, but it's no continuous line of thunderstorms cutting through the state. There's basically some showers and some sprinkles, and like here is around 9 o'clock tonight, and that was kind of a heavier cell there. Both of them are north of Reading and Allentown. So again, there could be just a little bit of a shower, and it kind of fade away, and then it's just like a circulation here, as you can see. It's like here, it's just coming from the south and pushing up. And then as you can see on Saturday, um, you have a couple of showers out there during the afternoon right there. And then again, they don't really amount to a lot. Whoever gets one could get a heavier downpour real short, but it won't last very long. And then as we go into Sunday, it's probably your better day of the weekend. Just a couple of sprinkles and some showers around before the next front drops down on Monday up here. So just for comparison, this afternoon you can see there were some 90s out there, upper 80s, 90s for a lot of areas. The higher, wherever the showers are at, where they sprinkle, they do bring the temperatures down. But then as soon as the sprinkling goes away, sun comes back up, it'll warm back up again. And tomorrow morning, it's basically mid 60s to lower 70s across Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and Delaware. So not too bad of a morning, but still a little bit on the warm side as we go during the afternoon hours. You can see northeastern part of PA, especially the mountainous areas, stay in the mid 70s, where the southern parts and down Philly, Harrisburg, um, Pittsburgh, those areas there get into the low to mid 80s tomorrow. And now on Sunday, you can see the lots of reds out there, which means temperatures are in the low to mid 80s. The higher elevations are in the middle to upper 70s. You can see temperatures down here, southwestern PA. There are clouds and there are some showers that could come through there, which can keep the temperatures down. But there is a front from the north that'll be coming down, and you can see the movement down here. Look just up here, you can just about see the cooler temperatures coming down. This would be Sunday night around 7 o'clock. You can see the temperatures, and in most areas are down into the 70s. Just a couple of holdouts there in the low 80s at around 7 o'clock Sunday night. Now I'll go through quickly through this. You can see most of the state of Pennsylvania to the north and north central, and top North Jersey. You can see temperatures are in the 70s. Down by Philadelphia, the 80s, and then out by Pittsburgh, a swath of warm air swoops in, and you get into the low 90s. Then we move this out a little bit further to Wednesday, and you can see we don't have as much success with the 90s. Temperatures have dropped basically across the state. There's some upper 60s in the middle of the afternoon on Wednesday. Elsewhere, it's in the 70s. Maybe the city areas of Pittsburgh and Pittsburgh and Philadelphia get into around 80 degrees. Then as we go through Thursday, here's your highs on Thursday. As you can see, unless you're in the I-95 corridor, temperatures are in the 70s. The I-95 corridor is in the low 80s. And here we go. Now here's Friday. Temperatures ahead of a front are in the 80s, maybe 90 around Philadelphia. Then you get overnight. As you get into Saturday, the 90s are pulling off to the north towards New York, but basically Pennsylvania 70s and 80s, and then the week of the 25th we start to chill a little bit. This is just morning lows on Tuesday, 50s and 60s. That's your first start. As you can see on Tuesday, this is the 26th. This is that week. Upper 60s to 70s, mid 70s across most of Pennsylvania, Delaware, Jersey, southeastern PA, extreme down by Philadelphia. Temperatures are in the lower 80s. As you can see on Wednesday, temperatures drop. Whoop, too fast. I'm trying to move too fast here. You can see temperatures Wednesday morning dropping down in the 50s, probably some 40s out there, especially across the northern part. They've cooled down into the 60s down towards Philly, South Jersey, and Delaware. So they finally get to cool off a little bit. Now this is Thursday morning. You can see temperatures are showing here 40, upper 40s to 50s through a lot of Pennsylvania and northwestern New Jersey, upper 50s to around 60, a little lower 60s in southeastern PA, southern New Jersey and Delaware mid 60s. So it's cooled off. And if you're wondering about daytime highs, um, there's your daytime high on the Thursday, the 28th, and you can see 60s and 70s across everywhere there. So it's going to cool off. I don't think it's going to last forever, but we're going to get into a period of cooler weather. But again, like I showed you on my map the other day, I think it'll warm up. There'll be a warm spell in the middle of September, but I don't think it's going to hit 90s then. Um, then. So the other thing is on Sunday, I'm going to do a video live. I'm going to go live for a discussion on the winter on Sunday between 3 and 4, depending on what Facebook page you have. And I'm going to post just before that, around 2 o'clock, my winter forecast video. And this would give you an opportunity to either agree, disagree, or tell me to go to hell. I don't know, but I'll be on Sunday between 3 and 4. Just look at the Facebook page. I'll post it tomorrow. Which I have 2 pages on Facebook, so I'll let each one know what half-hour period you're going to have the live broadcast. All right, everybody, take care and be safe.